Okay, you guys, I've lost 150 pounds. I went from this to this, and a lot of you guys have been asking me, do I have any one-on-one coachings? Do I have any programs or guides? Can I let you guys know what I did? I created my first guide. It is a beginner-friendly guide. This is for the mom who just had a baby, the person who does not know how to work out, has never worked out a day in their life, the person who wants to get it together but doesn't want to do too much and just wants to fix it in a way that is healthy and realistic for them. This is a beginner-friendly program. This is something I did at the beginning of my journey, learning my body, moving my body in a way that was comfortable for me. And obviously I grew and evolved as time went on, but this is where I started. You have to start somewhere. So this is called the REIGNITE by YARAÉ program. You can find it in my website. I will go into what YARAÉ means and what it means to me, but you can find it on my website as well. You guys know where to find it in the bio. This is going to support you on your journey, get you reignited for yourself, reignited, connected to your soul. This is not just a journey about fitness. I don't want it to just be about fitness because it's not just about fitness. You are feeding your soul if you're working with me. Learning who you are, you're figuring out your triggers, you're doing the affirmations, you're connecting with yourself in a way that's going to evolve you not only physically but mentally, babe, which is the most important thing. I want to see you win not only physically but in life in general. Okay, there's a lot of things up here that we got to fit in order for it to reflect properly out here, and that is what you will learn in the REIGNITE by YARAÉ guide, the beginner guide. This is a beginner guide though, you guys, so I want to preface that it is a beginner guide. I am coming out with 2 more plans that will be more intermediate and advanced that you can move up to, or just for the people who are more advanced already if they want to start there and really sculpt, tone, and really body recomp. But this is a beginner fitness, helping you get down and feel like your best selves in a way that is not just externally but internally. I'm also going to be creating a free skincare guide for you guys as well. There's so much you guys are going to have to invest when it comes to this skincare. If you're someone who needing to start their journey, don't know where to start, wanted to start over, and wanted to reconnect with yourself, REIGNITE by YARAÉ is perfect for you. I hope that I can help you on your journey. This is where I started at the beginning of my journey. We all had to start somewhere. And when I started, I definitely started over when it came to the eyes of like what you should be doing in fitness or what you think other people are doing in their fitness journey. You don't have to do what everybody has to do, and guess what, it doesn't take all that. Sometimes it depends on your goals. It really doesn't take all that, you guys. The most important thing is going to be your nutrition, which we're going to talk about in the guide. If you are needing someone who is going to positively speak life into you on your journey, understand that it is a progress, it is a process, it is a marathon, not a sprint. This is a 6-week program. I highly recommend that you repeat that program for 12 weeks if you would like before moving on to the next, and continue the practices until you get it down before you move on to the next stage of your development when it comes to your fitness journey. It's a progress, you guys. Slow and steady wins the race. I want you to keep that in mind as well. And the goal is to fix your metabolism, reconnect with your body, mind, body, and soul. Okay? So if you are ready to start your journey, you guys know where to find the website. I love you. And as always, eat your protein, drink your water, and move your bodies, okay?